Have you ever been cutting on your plasma and you get terrible quality? Well, that's where I am today out here in my test plasma at MachLabs. I'm Carl, and we're gonna go ahead and take a look at the consumables. At first, I thought my tech table wasn't right, meaning my voltage and cut height was not right, but let's take a look at this. If you look at the slag on the back of this part and it was randomly just losing arcs, that made me think I better take a look at this. Well, right here, I've turned all the plasma off. Everything is turned off. We're going to go ahead and pull this out just to be able to see what's inside this on the plasma head right here. As I looked into there, it looks terrible up in this front. You can see it's eaten away. I don't know if you're going to be able to see it in the camera, but we're going to pull this apart and take a look at it. So I'm going to unscrew this here. I'm going to just set this part of it down. I'm going to unscrew this, and we're going to just look at the different aspects. This is the end cap. I can see some of the holes look a little, I'd have to hold it up to the light to see. Some of the holes here are definitely plugged. So this is not in good condition. I am going to go ahead and replace this for today. As you can see here, it has completely blown the end of the tip off, and I'm cutting like sideways. So this is never going to be able to produce good quality parts. So this is the most often replaced component consumable on a plasma. If you can see that, that is just a terrible end. It is not a nice cone. I'll show you a new one in just a minute, but it's not a nice clean tip. Looking at the other components, everything in here looks good. There's no clogged holes. This definitely, so I am not an expert on if I need to replace this. I think we're okay on the electrode. I don't see any huge crater. I'm going to take a look at a new one and see, but I'm going to pull out my little plasma replacement kit and we're going to take a look. So first, let me look at that electrode. I'm going to say we're okay on the electrode. I'm not going to replace it. So I'm going to reuse that at this point. But if you look, I'm going to put in a 45 amp little cone here. If you look at the tip of this versus this, you can see the difference of just how this is definitely needed to be replaced. I'm going to go ahead and drop that in here, and we're going to screw this back on like this. So that was hugely not right. And then again, for the end cap, I'm going to go ahead and replace it. And we were running 35 amps, I believe, on my 30 amps. We were running 30 amps over here. I'm going to go ahead and when we're done and turn that up to 45 amps because I'm running the 45 amp consumables here. So with that, we're going to go ahead and screw that back on. I am going to tighten that up a little bit more. I don't know how tight you're supposed to tighten it. Somebody, you'll have to let me know in comments how tight are you supposed to tighten it. All right, so we're gonna power this, tighten this back up here, get it nice and snug. There we go. Okay, I'm gonna go ahead and plug in our air and let's see what another cut looks like. So I'm gonna turn this to 45. My height settings are gonna have to be different. I'm gonna go ahead and plug in the air. There we go. We're gonna jog over to our new 0 point. There we go. I'm gonna go ahead and 0 my X and Y. And let's see if replacing those consumables made any difference. I'm actually gonna go back and reselect my material and we're gonna give it a cut. And of course, I forgot to turn on the plasma cutter. So we're gonna try that again. Wow. I plugged in the air, and I forgot to press the on switch. Let me turn that back on. I should have noticed that it wasn't sounding right. We're gonna get my glasses on and we're gonna try that again. Fantastic. Here we go. Put my glasses back on and let's do this again. It's already looking much better. Let me jog it out of the way and let's take a look. Didn't lose arc. That looks a lot better for sure than the last cut had come out. So check your consumables if you're having cut quality. Thanks so much for watching.